Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 9 minus 9 divide 9 minus 9. Okay. So most people solve this question like 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Then again 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Now 0 divided 0 is equal to also 0. But here they are wrong because this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS PEMDAS P means first priority is parenthesis, E means second priority is exponents, M means multiplication and D means division. Both have equal priority. Okay. M means addition and S means subtraction. Also both have equal priority. Okay. So in this question, here is one subtraction, here is one division, and here is one subtraction. So according to the rule, first priority is division. Okay. So 9 minus, now solve this division, 9 divided 9 is equal to 1 minus 9. Okay. So here is a one subtraction and here is one subtraction. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 minus 9. Now 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. Therefore the correct answer is minus 1. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe this video, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.